Now cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Two components are there. Peptido, that is peptide component, and second is glycan component. Peptido component, it is made up of peptide. It is made up of amino acid chain. And in the amino acid chain, the two amino acids, they are joined with the help of peptide bond. So the peptide component, it is made up of amino acid. The amino acids, they are joined together with the help of peptide bond. So here I will be writing the name of amino acids which are part of the peptide component of cell wall. There is presence of L-alanine. L now is levorotatory. Earlier we have discussed D, that is dextrorotatory. So second is D-alanine, then D-glutamic acid, and L-lysine. Right? Now, in the case of the gram-positive bacteria, all these four types of the amino acids, they are present. But in the gram-negative bacteria, instead of the lysine, the amino acid which is present, that is DAPA. DAPA is di-amino-palmolic acid, right? So gram-positive bacteria, there is presence of lysine, and gram-negative bacteria, instead of the lysine, there is presence of DAPA. Now glycan portion. Glycan portion is made up of modified sugars. Two type of modified sugars, they are present here, that is NAG and NAM. NAG is N-acetyl glucose amine, and NAM is N-acetyl moramic acid. Right? So peptidoglycan, cell wall, it is made up of amino acid. Along with that, it is made up of modified sugar. So this is composition of peptidoglycan. Now we have to see how these components, they are joined together. They are linked together to form the protective covering, that is cell wall. So now we have to see how these components, they are linked together to form strong network of cell wall. First of all, I will be discussing how these components, they are arranged in gram-positive bacteria cell wall. Positive bacteria. Yes, the component which I have shown here, that is glycan portion, which is made up of sugars. So you can see here the sugar chains. Now how the sugar chains, they have been formed? By the attachment of one NAM and one NAG. Then one NAM and one NAG. So it means in the glycan portion, there is formation of sugar chains. And how the sugars they are associated? They are associated in a alternate manner. Alternate मतलब एक नाम एक नाग, एक नाम एक नाग. So alternate arrangement of the sugars is present in the glycan component. Now to each NAM, yes, NAM, there is attachment of amino acid. NAM के साथ there is attachment of amino acids. This NAM, here also I am showing attachment of amino acid chain. Yes, in this amino acid chain, how many amino acids they are present? There is presence of 4 amino acid. There is presence of 4 amino acid. That's why this chain can simply be known as tetrapeptide chain. Due to the presence of 4 amino acid, this chain can be known as tetrapeptide chain. Now these tetrapeptide chains, they are linked together. Yes, they are joined together again with the help of amino acids. See here? Yes. Tetrapeptide chains, they are joined together again with the help of amino acid. But now in this chain of the amino acid, how many amino acids they are present? There is presence of 5 amino acids. Right. There is presence of 5 amino acids. And this 5 amino acid chain now simply can be known as pentapeptide chain. Yes, please write it down. This chain which I have formed here, this is pentapeptide chain. So in the cell wall of gram-positive bacteria, we can say sugars, they form backbone. And this backbone is strengthened. This backbone is linked with the help of amino acid component. तो बैकबोन किसने बनाई? शुगर्स ने. और इस बैकबोन को मजबूत किसने किया? लिंक किसने किया? अमाइनो एसिड कंपोनेंट. So the organization of gram-positive bacterial cell wall is clear. Now let's see what is going to happen in the gram-negative bacteria. In gram-negative bacteria, again, sugars arranged in the alternate manner. Yes, sugars arranged in alternate manner. One NAM, one NAG. Right? Again to the NAM. Again to the NAM, there is attachment of tetrapeptide chain. 4 अमाइनो एसिड की चेन जुड़ी हुई है. But now in the case of the gram-negative bacteria, tetrapeptide chains, they are absent. Now in the gram-negative bacteria, pentapeptide chains, they are absent. पेंटापेप्टाइड चेन्स एब्सेंट है. तो यहां पर अब लिंकेज कैसे होगी? यहां पर लिंकिंग कैसे होगी? देयर इज डायरेक्ट लिंकिंग ऑफ टेट्रापेप्टाइड चेन्स. लुक हियर, इस नाम के साथ ये टेट्रापेप्टाइड चेन, इस नाम के साथ ये टेट्रापेप्टाइड चेन. सो नाउ instead of the pentapeptide chains, now there is direct linkage. Yes, so you can see this tetrapeptide chain and this one, they are showing direct linkage without the help of pentapeptide chains here. So here we can cite first difference between the cell wall of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Here there is indirect linkage. कौन हेल्प करेगा इस इनडायरेक्ट लिंकेज के अंदर? This part. What is this part? Pentapeptide chains. Here, these chains, they are absent. So, direct linkages. In the case of gram-positive bacteria, the linkages, they are more. So, here you can see the network in the cell wall is strong. Here, comparatively, the linkages, they are less. In the gram-positive bacteria, cell wall is thick. That is 150 to 200 Armstrong. This is the dimension. In the gram-negative bacteria, cell wall is thin, comparatively thin, only 70 to 120 Armstrong. In the gram-positive bacteria के अंदर सेल वॉल में एक ही लेयर है. सेल वॉल में एक ही लेयर है. And this single layer, it is mainly made up of PG. In the gram-negative bacteria, there is presence of two layers in the cell wall. दो लेयर हैं. यहां पर अंदर की तरफ जो लेयर है, that is PG. What is PG? Peptidoglycan. ऊपर की तरफ जो लेयर है, that is known as LPS. Lipopolysaccharide है. तो अंदर वाली लेयर PG, ऊपर वाली लेयर लिपिड्स की बनी हुई है. Lipopolysaccharide layer. And just like the plasma membrane, this layer is also made up of lipid bilayer. You got it? Lipid bilayer arrangement is there. So we can see in the case of the gram-positive bacteria, only one main component is there in the cell wall. That is PG. So you can say here the cell wall is homogeneous. पर ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया में दो मेन कंपोनेंट PG and LPS. So here you can say cell wall is heterogeneous, right? So this much of the differences between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria in the cell wall is very much clear to all of you. So in the gram-positive bacteria, the cell wall is made up of only one layer. And in the gram-negative bacteria, the cell wall is made up of two layers. So now the main differences between the cell wall of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria is very much clear to all of you. Now we will discuss some more points relating to cell wall only. So we have discussed in the gram-positive bacteria. Yes, this side is gram-positive. Cell wall is made up of only one layer, that is PG, and this cell wall is thicker. Yes, thick, 150 to 200 Armstrong. But in the case of the gram-negative bacteria, two layers, inner side PG, thin layer है, और ऊपर की तरफ there is presence of LPS. And we have already discussed the LPS is also going to show lipid bilayer अरेंजमेंट। तो लिपिड्स की 2 लेयर प्रेजेंट है एलपीएस के अंदर। दिस लेयर इज LPS, right? In the LPS, there is presence of lipid bilayer. There is presence of protein. Along with that, there is presence of lipopolysaccharide. That is fat. Lipid is fat associated with polysaccharide, that is carbohydrate. Fat associated with the carbohydrate, right? तो ये जो लिपिड बाइलेयर है, this is part of cell wall. This is part of the cell wall. Cell wall के नीचे भी लिपिड बाइलेयर होगी। Cell wall के नीचे भी लिपिड bilayer present होगी, right? But what it is going to represent? It is going to represent cell membrane. There shouldn't be any confusion. This part is cell wall and this part is plasma membrane. तो इसका मतलब ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया के अंदर 2 लिपिड बाइलेयर हैं। ये जो सेल वॉल के अंदर है इसको हम कहते हैं आउटर मेम्ब्रेन, और ये जो लिपिड बाइलेयर है विच इज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, इट कैन सिंपली बी नोन एज इनर मेम्ब्रेन, राइट? सो ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया में एक बाहर की तरफ लिपिड बाइलेयर, एक अंदर की तरफ outer and inner membrane they are present. But what about the gram positive bacteria? यहां पर लिपिड बाइलेयर एब्सेंट है, सेल वॉल में एब्सेंट है। ओनली अ लिपिड बाइलेयर इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द लोअर साइड। Only on the lower side, which is the part of the plasma membrane. So it means in the gram-positive bacteria, only one lipid bilayer is present. In the gram-positive bacteria, cell wall के ऊपर कुछ chemicals present है। Cell wall के ऊपर कुछ chemicals. These chemicals, they are known as teichoic acid. These chemicals, they are teichoic acids. Teichoic acids, they are made up of 3 components. 3 components are there in teichoic acid. So learn the 3 components. So you please learn a code word here, that is CAP, where C is carbohydrate, A is alcohol and P is phosphate. Made up of carbohydrate, alcohol and phosphate. One main function of teichoic acid is that it is going to work like surface antigen. It is going to have antigenic properties. But in the case of the gram-negative bacteria, this teichoic acid is absent. So in gram-negative bacteria, the function of the surface antigen, it is performed by LPS. gram-negative bacteria के अंदर ये जो outer membrane है, इस outer membrane में one of the component is protein. Some of the proteins, they are very large size. Like this, very large size. They span the membrane. पूरी तरह membrane को span करते हैं। और इन proteins का arrangement ऐसा होता है कि in the center there is formation of a pore. Are you getting this? तो ये जो मैंने पार्ट बनाया है, दिस ग्रीन स्ट्रक्चर, दिस इज प्रोटीन एंड द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द प्रोटीन इज सच कि there is formation of a pore formed by the protein present in the membrane. These pores, they are known as channels. प्रोटीन ने जो पोर बनाया इसको हम कहेंगे चैनल. And these channels, they have large size diameter. Large size diameter is with respect to the other type of channels. So these channels which have larger size diameter, they are known as porins. Simply, what is the function of the porins? Porins, they are involved in the transport of compounds. They are involved in the uptake of compounds. They are involved in the uptake of hydrophilic, water-loving, hydrophilic compounds which are of low molecular weight. Involved in the transport of hydrophilic, water-loving compounds which are low molecular weight. So porins, they are present in the gram-positive bacteria and in the gram-negative bacteria, and in the gram-positive bacteria they are absent. Negative में present है और positive के अंदर absent है. So here now I will be discussing the effect of lysozyme on the cell wall of bacteria. Lysozyme is an enzyme which can digest the peptidoglycan. Yes, it can eat peptidoglycan, digest peptidoglycan. This is gram-positive bacteria. In the gram-positive bacteria, this is cell wall made up of Pg, right? Below the cell wall, this is plasma membrane. Yes, below the cell wall, this is plasma membrane. So when we will give lysozyme treatment to the gram-positive bacteria, what will happen? Gram-positive bacteria cell wall is made up of Pg. So cell wall will be digested by the bacteria. Cell wall will be digested by the lysozyme. तो लाइसोजाइम क्या करेगा? सेल वॉल को डाइजेस्ट कर देगा. सेल वॉल डाइजेस्ट हुई तो क्या रह गया? प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. एंड व्हाट इज दिस पार्ट? साइटोप्लाज्म. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन प्लस साइटोप्लाज्म टुगेदर represents protoplast, right? Let's see what will happen in the gram-negative bacteria. gram-negative bacteria के अंदर ये cell wall में let's say this is outer layer LPS. फिर अंदर वाली layer, yes, this is inner layer. This is inner layer, that is PG, right? Then inner to the PG, there is presence of plasma membrane. This one is plasma membrane, and again this is cytoplasm. ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया को हमने दिया लाइसोजाइम का ट्रीटमेंट, तो ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया अगेन किसको डाइजेस्ट कर देगा? पीजी को. इट कैन डाइजेस्ट पीजी, इट कैन डिसॉल्व पीजी, बट इट कैन नॉट डिसॉल्व लिपोपॉलीसेक्राइड. तो इस केस के अंदर क्या होगा? सम पार्ट ऑफ द वॉल विल रिटेन विच पार्ट? LPS. Some part of the wall is digested. Which part? That is PG. कुछ part retain रहेगा, कुछ part digest हो जाएगा. So this is now partially digested cell. This partially digested cell, now it is known as spheroplast. Getting it? ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया के अंदर पूरी सेल वॉल डाइजेस्ट हो गई, तो बाकी जो बचा व्हाट इज दैट? प्रोटोप्लास्ट. पर ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया को लाइसोजाइम का ट्रीटमेंट दिया, only there is digestion of the PG. Some part of the wall will retain this partially digested cell. Now it is known as spheroplast. So in this lecture we have studied cell structure of bacteria. We have studied cell wall of the gram positive and gram negative bacteria in little bit of detail. Now in the next class we will be starting with the gram staining technique, which will differentiate between these two categories of bacteria. Thank you so much.